them doing their sparkler thing.
Yeah, the kids.
Come on, do some cool, like,
Okay? The
dance
kids.
moves.
Okay, the kids.
I bet Nani's will be better than yours.
I see trails. I'm seeing trails. Definitely seeing trails. How about you, Dora?
She's definitely got better dance moves. You can try, Paul.
I don't feel like Jordan's taking this.
Oh no. I'm seeing the trail.
We got a performer here, ladies and gentlemen.
She's the rockette.
Yes, that was
I have
perfect.
skin on, so I do too. I only have these little slippies on.
Jordan,
Got the long pants.
Jordan,
No, I don't.
show me
They're
your
so
butt.
You know, Mercy is missing this. She loves these sparklers.
I know.
She does love the sparklers.
Save some.
Yeah, well, I will.
I don't want to get stuck. Oh, this is scary.
Is it getting close?
Yeah, it's getting like really close. I don't want to move it at all.
Twirl, twirl. Do a twirl, Jordan. How about a twirl? No twirl.